We're learning more about fallout from a potential landmark ruling that could eliminate breathalyzer results from DUI cases.
That's after a panel of Kitsap County judges ruled a device used across our state does not follow state law. Fox 13's Matt Markovich joins us in studio. He has more on who's to blame for this.
Well, they're pointing the finger at one particular office, one particular person. The court sided with arguments that the state toxicologist has known for years the calculations of the breathalyzer used by every law enforcement officer in the state for the last 7 years does not follow state law. All of it stems from a Kitsap County court ruling in a DUI case last week.
Any alcohol for you tonight?
Law enforcement in Kitsap County has been told by the county prosecutor do not include portable breathalyzer results in any DUI case. After all 4 of the county's district court judges ruled the calculation the machine puts out does not follow state law. The court puts the blame squarely on the Washington State Patrol's toxicology lab, run by the state toxicologist Fiona Cooper.
The state toxicologist has known for over a decade that the Draeger does not comply with the administrative code, and they have basically engaged in a cover-up.
The breathalyzer, called the Draeger, named after the German company that makes it, is used by all law enforcement agencies in the state and has been for the last 7 years. Each one must be programmed by the toxicology lab.
The state toxicologist approved the software to be used in the Draeger machine, which did not have the proper calculation.
And because it did not create a rounded 3 decimal point result required by state law, the result cannot be used in court, say those judges.
That she knew that's what she did, and that she testified that it did the appropriate WAC calculation when in fact it never was.
Issues at the state toxicology lab go back years. Most recently, the Seattle Municipal Court invalidated evidence going back several years after a methamphetamine contamination at the lab. The office is also plagued with a backlog of alcohol, marijuana, and DNA cases involving sexual assault and testing issues. The Pierce County prosecutor sent us this 1,000-page document that lets attorneys know of problems at the lab, suggesting evidence and testimony by the state toxicologist could be impeachable, meaning it's not entirely reliable.
I mean, this could have far-reaching effects statewide, correct?
There's only one machine in the state, and that's the Draeger, so it's being used with everyone.
The State Patrol runs the lab and employs the state toxicologist. A patrol spokesperson calling the issue a significant oversight, compounded by years of insufficient attention, and our agency is now studying the situations and systems that might have contributed to this regrettable challenge. For now, breathalyzer results cannot be used just in Kitsap County, but it's expected DUI attorneys throughout the state are prepping to make the same arguments to suppress 7 years of Draeger results.
What percentage of cases are convicted solely on the breath test?
If you were to poll jurors, that you will find they rely heavily on that number for a conviction.
The court's ruling does not question the machine's accuracy in measuring a person's blood alcohol level, just the calculation it creates. It's really a technicality. A judge in the city of Kent is considering the same argument and could make a ruling this week for the city of Kent. Courts around the state will be questioning the validity of the breathalyzer result and could toss out readings in their jurisdictions. Back to you.